Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part one of a two-part series. This is our trip to Grandma's house in Seattle, Washington. Part two is going to be an interview with my 98-year-old grandmother who has RV'd for over 40 years. You're not going to believe all the places she's been. It's amazing. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the bell for notifications so you can get notified when that next video comes out. Enjoy the video.
Day. Not just any travel day. Today is a little bit different. We are flying to Washington State. We're going to see James's grandma.
So excited about this.
All right, come on.
We made it by 2 pounds. What kind of flight is this, taking all their clothes off? Oh well, let's go.
This neon yellow one?
Yep.
Passengers all through general boarding lane clearance.
Alright guys, so we made it to our gate, chilling, getting ready to get on the plane to go see my grandma up in Seattle. Very exciting. I think Autumn's a little nervous. You got a window seat? Are you nervous?
Extremely. But happy because you're sitting in the middle now.
Because I'm sitting in the middle?
Yeah, you have a middle seat. But I have a window seat.
That'll be awesome. Autumn's first flight. Autumn's off and running.
The flow, we have to follow.
All right, follow the flow. Follow the flow.
And ladies and gentlemen, we did it again, like this time for takeoff. Should you need additional light, use the light switch and air vents and a place to call it over seat.
surrounded by water. Crazy. It's not even lunchtime yet. What do you think of your first airplane ride?
It was pretty good.
Was it?
I was really nervous until we actually started taking off. And then it was a lot like my brother driving. Crazy, and you're all the way back in your seat, so I was used to it.
Yeah. So once you got used to it, did you enjoy it, or?
A lot. I was hoping to see some clouds like over the whole thing. Right. But I didn't see that till the end, and I didn't have time to sketch it. So.
Yeah. No, we had beautiful weather, didn't we?
Oh, don't use this. This is door 2.
Oh.
That's necessary.
All right, y'all, so we're gonna grab our suitcase real quick, and then we're gonna figure out this public transit system. There's some buses that are either free or cheap that are gonna get us out to Olympia, so we'll catch up with you in a minute. Autumn, the world traveler, is gonna go ahead and grab our bag for us. The big raining. Ah. Is that us, I hope? What are the odds?
Extremely high with me.
It's always a good time. Autumn throwing luggage everywhere. And you went down with it. Supportive parents, though. That's a good thing. All right, let's go figure out these buses.
Approaching 188 and International.
Okay guys, so we got on the public transit bus and we're gonna head out to Lakewood and then catch another bus and go out to Olympia and then meet my uncle in a car and head out to their place and finally get to see my grandmother. Planes, buses, and automobiles. All right, so we sort of got the tour of the city today. Accidentally went past our stop, but the transit driver was nice enough to bring us back here. So we're gonna catch the right bus now, but check out this view. I'm thinking that's Mount Rainier right there. I don't think you get to see it too often because of the clouds and everything. It is beautiful. After a truck, a shuttle, a plane, and 3 buses, autumn is over it. We're heading to our last stop now, meet my uncle.
I'll show you down here. You can see the sign up there. Somebody's got a filter. It was taken right. They moved the stump